Hiya, it's Ted from the Devils in the Detail. I'm on the 230 SL. I've got the injectors back, got all the pipes ready to go on, but before I do, this car hasn't been spun over in 10 years. So I've just put a battery on and a jump pack, and we're going to see if it'll actually turn over. What I want to do basically is spin some oil around the system. This has still got its old oil in. I want to get the oil all around the engine, see if we get oil pressure, and basically I'll spin it a few times, get the oil pressure up, and then when I change the oil, any crud that's been gathered and dust and that will come out with the oil, hopefully. So I'm going to turn the jump pack on, and I'll set the camera so that you can see the engine, if the engine turns over. So you're going to do this journey with me. Like I say, this hasn't been turned over in 10 years, so fingers crossed. If it goes clonk, 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 it means it's stuck. So I'm just going to go in the car now. There's no fuel in it at the moment, so there won't be oil spray, petrol spraying everywhere. Well, here we go. Bit of trepidation here, but let's have a go. Petrol pump's just come on, but there's no fuel in it anyway. Here we go. Well, there's a tickle. Let's come around that side of the camera. Well, that's a minor miracle. Shows how well it's been stored, I suppose. I have turned the engine over by hand periodically during the restoration, so you know I did know that it's unlikely to be really seized. Obviously the fuel pump's working, which is good, but I've got no fuel pipe on here at the moment because the fuel pipe is buggered. So I've got to get some 3/8 fuel pipe. There's a couple of other hoses that I have to cut off. I've got to get a couple more. But I need to go to a place in Coventry to get the right size. The oil pressure gauge shot right up to the top. We've obviously got oil pressure and everything's, you know, as it should be by the looks of it. I mean, it's not going to start, there's no injectors in it, there's no injector pipes, there's no fuel pipe going to the pump, to the injection pump. But that's good news. Now I know that the oil's got round, I'll start fitting the injectors and the injector pipes. I've got to get a new battery because this one appears to be a bit duff. And the pipes. And really I've got the oil filter and the oil. So we're not far off being able to try and start it. So that's good news for getting on for the weekend. You know, I was a bit worried it might be stuck. You know, I mean, standing about for all these years. But now that's a win as far as I'm concerned. And obviously I'm going to have to put 50 quid's worth of fuel in it to, you know, get the fuel to pump through. But while it was all empty, I just wanted to see if the fuel pump worked, which I expected that to be stuck after 10 years, but obviously it's working. So it's good news for today. So I'll start fitting the injectors now, and then work out the jigsaw that is the injection pipes. So there we have it, quick update. I'm sure the owner will be interested to see, and good news all round. And thanks for watching, it means a lot to me. If you think about it, hit that subscribe button, because I'm really low on subscribers. Need to get it up. So you can help me, you know, build the channel a little bit. And I hope that I can keep adding something that's interesting to you. Try and improve the way I film things. So see you later, and thanks for watching.